Igbo mmanụ asị m na ya dịrị anyị na mma na eke dịrị anyị na mma n'orie dịrị anyị na mma n'afọ dịkwazịrị anyị na mma na nkwọ afịa anọ nke ndị Igbo ji wee bili asị m na ya dịrị anyị na mma maka ebe anyị si na-ewetara unu ya bụ ozi ya bụ na Igbo midia ka anyị si wee na-ewetara unu nnukwu ozi ya dị nnukwu mkpa gbasịta maka ihe na-eme na Igbo community dị iche iche and gbasịta maka Igbo nwere onwe and South-East region. So ya bụ ihe fe ka anyị na-ewetara unu n'iru akwụkwọ n'ụbọchị nke taa. Unu na-anya unu ya-afụ ihe na-afụ n'iru akwụkwọ anụ na achọ m ka mbịakpọwa okwu afọ mana afọ m na unu na-afụ ife na-eme dị ya n'iru akwụkwọ a. O nwere ihe Niger Delta gwara PM bụ Biafra Prime Minister and ihe ọ gwara Yerika their leader actually collaborate to liberate their people from the Nigerian government. So much kunu get ya be ife kunu watch ka see the condition then unu get see una drop right comment you if unu check stomach here and then all right, over to you.
Under our hand for many years now. So we think will be our own. But if they carry this thing around, if nothing can be for us, this one can't come. Problem go see there. We go become rebels. Now rebels they go come now, they call us a B, we go still be militant. Now I want to ask, who gets that Samuel Akan number? Because we got moving on. They can for tell us waiting day for men. Waiting day for men. Waiting be black for men. Because men no for come follow fight for something where finally nothing will come up for us. When we go for that Amnesty program, with some of us when we go different countries, we see say a lot of these countries when we go, some their lifestyle no match at all with us. Wetin Afari don come do for our region? If you know the same God just dey help us. We don dey gbese by now. We don enter gbese. Because Afari dey wan just Islamize our people, our boys. Now, we are going here Samuel Akan. As if they talk say Islam, you no go dey for a government, you no go there for Biafra. Say there go be traditional religion, it go be Christian, it go be wetin again another one wey they say Islam, you no go follow. And we say okay. But how they won't take, because all this one we are sorry then don't they do? We can't stop them. Because our people normally, normal. Maybe because the kind thing we government they do, we know for the carry all these things, we know for the carry all this material. Because we know the criminal, we know the terrorists. This one's not just to help our people, to protect ourselves. Asawana. When they say we need call am for meeting, then na how we wan get the contact? Because na you and myself we suppose dey down make we for call that Samuel Akan make him know say make dey see am. He dey try o, but we for wan make he tell us how he wan be with us. He say when small pikin ask for im own right, some people wey no sabi something go say na bad pikin. We don try for street for creek. We don try, e don tey, e no be today again, e don tey. You know how many years we don dey for creek like this? But our vision, you no come get dey as we all plan am, because our brothers dem, some big brothers dem, na themselves dey sabi. Dem follow try im best make we for achieve things. Rest in peace, Togo. Rest in peace, Togo. Men there with you. So Caterpillar, I still don't wanna give you. Maybe now you go feel do fast, now you go feel go round, come get that contact for Samuel Akan. Make me for reason with am. Make it for 10 men. It won't be. Like I done the cap. As I read everything where as I read they do when it comes for that religion matter. We need also get plans where we go stop am, because as he don't talk say that religion, that particular religion no go dey allowed. We go also put plans, because as I dey talk, as we go amnesty for different countries, their character no match with us. Small time they don to tie people life, you know hard them over nothing, over religion matter, and that one no be our normal life. So we no for allow make that kind. So everybody wey be say we go tell Asari make he just hear am say we no dey beg am, we go tell am if Samuel Akan don finish a reach agreement with us, we go strike am, that go be deal. Anybody for our region wey wan try any nonsense say he wan continue to the bring people into that religion, we go handle am, we go treat am, we go treat him fuck up straight away, no delay, no time for shimmy, no time for shimmy. He go control, we go force am make him make remorse. Say you wan make remorse, you go make remorse. Sawana Samaraba Samankwa. So thank you. As you don't give me your listening ear, that means small body. That means small body, the big engine. Your man of people they hear the voice, but I know what you know say he don't drink well. I don't make it. I don't make it for come. I don't make it for come display. You know say people sabi display. People they don't dey very high. It will come display. Thank you. We will wait for your reply. I won't get the contact. Make me inform. Know when to start work. But anybody when you say you go put body, we go quench am. Anybody when you go put body, we go quench am. And we go know how we go arrange. So that we can also build our arsenal again. Now like this, we need more gunboats. This time we also need even things we will not get before. Because this time you know say if it's if it be bigger confrontation and men go chop a question. Small make a person call this small pepper to order. King Kong, King Kong Santana boy, all this King Kong Santana boy, where they did talk for Port Harcourt. Tell am make you for call am for order, no say e dey lis ten to you, call am, e dey worry people for Port Harcourt now. Make e for stop to disturb people, people dey suffer well well for area. Him and him boy small pepper, I dey talk small pepper. Na him dey worry now, put call for PH, put call for PH, small pepper dey worry. Na King Kong boy, tell King Kong make e call him boy to order, small pepper, abi little pepper. That boy dey pepper dey terrorize PH now. Make una call am to order, little pepper. Make I no catch am, make una tell am make e no come be say e go come burst out to fight between me and King Kong. You know say him na cartel man. Tell am make e dey worry. E don go my sister side. E don go my sister side. E don go collect people phone well well. Tell King Kong make e tell him boy make e return everybody phone and no until Saturday. I give am no until Saturday. Make e return everybody phone wey e take for that street. And hear say e don attack over 16 people for that street. Tell am say I no wan make e reach Saturday. Make e return everybody phone. Tell am say I no wan make tell King Kong make e call him boy small pepper abi little pepper. E dey terrorize PH and e don do am go reach. We no dey do, we no be criminals. When they no take our name, dey spoil our name. Make e return everybody phone wey e take. Some people be say their contract e dey for their phone. Some people be say their phone na their office. So I no wan get from now to Saturday. Make small pepper. Make e return everybody phone. Make e return make one know the name. And if I call Saturday, make e no return am. Take King Kong. Sawana.
Ndị be anyị daalụ nne nụ ihe a bụkwa Igbo midia anyị si wee na-ewetakwara unu nnukwu ozi a dị oke mkpa dịka anyị si kwuo unu nkwa na dịka anyị si na-agba mbọ ewere ike ị na-enye unu update bụ ihe gbasara maka ife na-eme na ana Igbo be anyị na ndị nwere onwe nke a na-azọ. Ọ ya bụ nkwa ka anyị kwere unu and anyị ga na-emezu ya. Ọzọ dịka ibe ya bụ iwọchi ihe a kịta ị nụrụ n'elu akwụkwọ Biafran Prime Minister kwuru, gwa onwe gị eziokwu n'ụdị nke gị na nchịkọta mmụọ gị ka ghara iwelite ile anyị n'ihe a, maka oke ihe ga na-esi na-emezi. O nwere ebe ekwetara na ndị Igbo ya anọ, o nwere ebe anyị sịrị anyị nọrọ. Igbo abụlọ Senate President, Igbo abụlọ Vice President, nothing. And na ụmụ ihe ndị niile amegasịkwa anụ ụmụnne anyị esokwu na-agba ụwofa mgba maka oke ife ya je megidezie ajụrụzi asị ma ọ gịnị na-emezi ọ dịka arụ achọziri ime anyị negodin ka obodo si dị ka e mere ji jide nwanne anyị nwoke bụ Maazị Nnamdi Kanu na mkpọrọ akwa maka ndị Igbo. Gịnị ka ihe ọjọọ mere? Maka ọ sị na Igbo ga-adị, maka ọ sị na anyị ga-adị ka echi na echi ada agwụ agwụ. O nwere ihe ọzọ eji jide ya? Jụọ onwe gị ajụ a, gịnị ka eji jide Maazị Nnamdi Kanu? Ọkwa maka ọ sị na Igbo ya adị. Biko ọzọ dị ka iwe chetara ife a bụ Igbo midia anyị na-asụ n'onu be anyị, ọnụnụ be anyị ka anyị na-asụ. So biko ọ bụ na ede anụ Igbo iwe ewe na gị, ọnụnụ be anyị ka anyị ji akọwa ihe na-eme ebe a. Ka ego ọkwa na ya anyị na-ekwu bifo unu ekwe n'iwe ka ife onye ndu melụ ọ sị na ya na-eme mgbomgbe ndị Igbo na-abịa ya n'alụ ọ na-ewute ya. Simon Ekpa penie anyị agbaba ya mgba ka e mere obedient movement. Akwụwụrụ okwu Maazị Nnamdi Kanu kwuru before ejide ya, they will never give you that president, that seat. Akwụdoro na ya na Peter Obi winere mana nyere ya. Gịnị ka ha si ya bụ mba Igbo mara na ife maka oke esi na-ekwuzi okwu ọka ife ga na-esi na-emezi. Ọ bụ na ịkpọrọ onwe gị meeting, chụkọ onwe gị ọnụ, jụọ onwe gị ajụ a ka ebe ịkwụ n'obodo a bụ Naijiria. Ajụ nchọkwa onye ọbụla bụ onye Igbo na-ege m ntị n'elu akwụkwọ a, jụọ onwe ya, na na-ejicha onwe gị ya bụ ife isaa ya ọgwụna ka m n'ọnụ.